Alkaline unleashes his new diss track for Squash and Chronic Law, and he obliterates the competition. No one is safe. Alkaline disses Vybz Kartel, Heavy D, Shabdon, and Squash's mother, Shelly, in the process. Squash may have to come out of his Clash retirement for this one. Alkaline and Squash's beef has been a relentless slaughter, with each DJ releasing multiple diss tracks so far. The war seemed to come to a head recently, with Squash's manager stating in an interview that the artiste would no longer be doing clashes. Fans thought the war had come to an end, and then boom, MVP Yamil dropped a big bomb and decimated Chronic Law, also stating that Vybz Kartel had left his students. Vybz Kartel then took to Instagram to proclaim that he reps 6ix9ine all day, every day. Fans wondered if Alkaline had gone into hiding. Today, Alkaline made it abundantly clear that he backs down from no war. The Vendetta Boss advises Squash to write his will, as he delivered certain death with his new diss track. The DJ dropped off Nuh Mercy less than an hour ago on his YouTube channel, and fans are losing their minds. In such a short space of time, the track has gotten over 89,000 views. The cut, which is a part of the InnerCat Network, is an endless assault that takes down anyone in the DJ's sight. At the beginning of the track, a man can be heard saying, "We need to talk to Alkaline. Affi do a peace dealings." To which Alkaline responds saying, "Only peace wa dema do arrest in a peace, sk unuh mada with dat, na peace treaty." The DJ then goes after Squash Turtleneck, Vybz Kartel and producer Shabdon in one single go. The amount of gil as tup in a yasor mouth turtleneck wa happen to ya / when since it alright fi praise friend killer, Shabdon wani MP *m fi dinner and a hype like rat baboon dad and a gorilla. Alkaline's friend killer line is referring to Vybz Kartel, who is currently serving a life sentence for the killing of Clive Lizard Williams, was a former associate of his. Alka then continues to fire a barrage of insults at Squash, who now seems to be nicknamed Poochie. He DJs, "Hey Poochie, go find ya fada, ask him wha him sniff when him grind ya mada. 6ix9ine a dem 6ix9ine daddy when me check out our sklate toody Shelly psy outa order," once again calling out Squash's mother. Bus de eagle pon Heavy D look pon him a drop. He continues going after Squash's manager Heavy D in response to the track. One fan stated, "All when dem ex-police manager told dem to wave the white flag we still a fire, Nuh Mercy," while another added, "No you'd. Ulka av somebody assault spring number too much info #facts." The track Nuh Mercy is perhaps one of the most lyrical diss tracks released by either side of the divide since the war started this summer. It will be interesting to see if Squash will return fire and what he will come with, since his manager Heavy D said that the 6ix9ine camp is done with war.